guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have been uploading a lot of content and I really hope you guys are enjoying. So today I actually am going out. A friend of mine, it is 9:10 p.m. and this Sunday today. So a friend of mine, they just asked me if I want to go out for a movie with them, and I was like, of course. This is a movie, Venom. If you guys have seen it, I'm going to go watch that movie now with two friends of mine, and I thought, why not just share with you guys what what I do with my face when I'm going out for late night movies. Now, obviously, it's not like you have to do the same thing, but at least for me, I wonder how do other people get ready for different occasions. So I thought, why not show it? Just share my get ready with me with you guys for when I'm going out for a movie at night. So this is the moisturizer I'm going for, and this is quite an old moisturizer. This is the one from Neutrogena, the oil-free moisturizer for combination skin, which is perfect because I have oily skin. Now see, even if your skin is dry, oily, whatever, you have to apply moisturizer. And I'll tell you what, if you have oily skin, a lot of people, including me, people who have oily skin hate oily skin, right? But let me tell you, if you have oily skin, you will age much slower, because people who have dry skin, their skin tends to age faster. But if you have oily skin, your skin will age slower, just because your skin is always going to be filled with oils. And if you do have dry skin, don't worry, you can also delay the aging process by extremely simply just using a good moisturizer, or any moisturizer. Use any moisturizer. The only thing is, if you have acne prone skin, be very wary of what products you are using, because certain products, see, I'm not going to say they are bad, but they are comedogenic, so they clog your pores, which can result in you having a breakout. Now the next thing I'm applying is this Color Bar mascara, which is the active swim proof mascara. And guys, if you want the most natural looking lashes, this is the mascara to go for. I have another mascara also. If you hear some cat in the background, it's Zoe. I do not know what she wants. I don't know, guys, do you have cats? And if you do, why do some cats just keep meowing? Like, I don't know, I think she just gets bored, and I try to entertain her as much as possible, but sometimes I just, like, I don't know how to entertain her. Like, I play with her, I give her treats, this that, I spend time with her, but then after some point, like girl, you have to do something. I don't know. Although she is really active, and I will share her story with you guys. She actually, we adopted her, and a month after we adopted her, she has started having cold and stuff like that. And then we realized she actually has FIP, and I'm so sorry I didn't mention what I'm using, but this is the Etude Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. It's really good. And Zoe, please, what happened? Come here. Zoe, come here. Okay. So, it's really a good eyebrow pencil. And what I think is, if you want to use an eyebrow pencil, use the brown one. If you feel when you use eyebrow pencil, your eyebrows look like two stickers, it's because you're using black. And black is going to make your eyebrows look very patchy, so you don't want that. So the way I use my eyebrow pencil, and I think I'll make a different video on this, but I just fill in wherever I feel that there are gaps. Okay, and then I just use my eyebrow pencil brush to just brush it out. Now, because I'm going just for a movie, maybe we might end up eating something. So the thing is, I was about to have dinner, and this friend of mine, they called. When I'm saying they, it's because they're a couple. So yeah, so they just called me up, and it is me and my boyfriend. We both are going. Also, guys, I just want to say this one thing, that let's just normalize talking about girlfriends and boyfriends. It's not a big deal. And I think a lot of people, they just say friend, and even I have done that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Even I have said friend and this and that. But why should we have to lie? It's not a big deal. If you're dating someone, you're dating someone. You're dating them because you're in love with them. And yeah, I think there's a big stigma in Indian. Oh, guys, that's Zoe, by the way. Zoe, say hi. This is my Zoe cat who doesn't want to be here. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Okay. Okay. So as I was saying, this stigma, guys, it needs to stop. And which is why I actually have a different YouTube channel and a different Instagram page which I'm starting, which is going to be all about relationships. Okay. Because so this is the Dear Darling tint, which is from Etude House. Guys, Etude House is a really good brand. Okay. And actually I have so much to tell you. I have like a story time about Etude House when I was scammed by someone, not Etude House, but someone pretending to be from Etude House. And today only I got like my business, we got scammed with Facebook ads. So I don't know, maybe the Facebook ad scam story, I'll mention it in my next video because I think it might genuinely help you guys. Today let me rant and talk to you guys about how in India there's such a big stigma when it comes to relationships. So because there's this big stigma when it comes to relationships, I feel people are really scared to talk about being in relationships. And the only way to know more about your partner and how they behave is when things are out in the open. I don't get this thing where you have to keep lying. Why should you have to keep lying? You know what I'm saying? So guys, what I have done is I have applied a couple of, not dollops, what is it called, dots over here on my nose, and I just used a brush like this one. This is which brush, I don't know, cream powder blush, and I just used that to sort of spread the blush all around. And now guys, I don't want to go in for foundation because I don't want to look too ready. Okay, and that's just me. I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna show you how I get ready for late night stuff. Like even if I'm going for a late night coffee, a late night drive, a late night movie, whatever late night, I just go in for this only when my skin is doing good. Okay, so when my skin is doing bad, I do apply some foundation or concealer. But now since my skin is doing all right, I don't need to apply concealer. And then I am using the Fit Me Sun Beige Pressed Powder, which is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And even this, I don't know, all my pans, like, not pans, all my powders are getting over. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of powder. Then I'm using this kajal, which is the Colossal Kajal Maybelline New York. And I just want to do like some dark eyes because just since 2 days I have been wanting to do them. And this is what I do. I just put this kajal pencil right inside my eyes. Not all the way, but a little bit. So I just hope it's like visible. And this is what I do. So this does give me a very like this kind of vibe. See, a little bit I applied, ended up applying here also. That's fine. But can you see the kind of look I'm going for? Like a very don't care, that kind of a kajal look, which is exactly what I want to go for. You can also just open your eyes and apply, but that I just feel takes more time. And yeah. Okay, so we have some kajal that I have applied, and I think that is it. So that is my makeup look. I am feeling I should apply some lip product, and I don't have much here. Okay, so this is, if you have seen the video on Instagram, you know what is in this bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Dear Darling tint only, and obviously not so much. Also, I do have chapped lips. So when you have chapped lips, the tints don't always do well. But all I do is just apply the tint and do. Guys, if you want your tint to look natural, just do this. Apply the tint and natural looking tint. A1. Okay, so this is what I do to get a very natural look. And I'm wearing this white crop top and my blue pant, and I will be carrying a jacket with me, and this is going to be my look. I do have some scars here, but you know what, it's fine because I have had such like horrible acne that these scars feel like nothing. It feels like good skin, and I don't know if it's just me, but I feel that my skin keeps yo-yoing between good skin and bad skin, good skin and bad skin, and I think it is kind of on me because I feel whenever I am going down the route of bad habits, be it sleep schedule, be it food habits, be it skincare habits, whenever I start doing or just being careless, my skin always starts looking bad. And the minute I start taking care of my skin more or just eating better and just doing better things, my skin always ends up looking much better. So I don't know, but now I'm really happy with where my skin is at. I'm also doing a couple of things to make my skin better. I have acne scars, pigmentation and all of that, so I'm just working on that. And yeah, now I will be just spraying some perfume, and I don't have my perfume here with me, but I'll be spraying some perfume on my hair, on my body, on my what do you say, that jacket, and I am going to go. So I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. I would be so happy and grateful to have you as my subscriber. And in my next video, I will talk more about relationships and my other YouTube channel where I'm going to talk about relationships. I've started the Instagram channel and I have to start that YouTube channel. So I'll be talking all about that in my next video. So stay tuned, and I will also tell you how this movie goes. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. So bye.